Chemistry channel. Please subscribe it. Okay. So there must be always remember for CSIRNET, organic, inorganic, and physical chemistry. There must be most important topics on organic chemistry is page-cycle reaction. In page-cycle reaction, always remember uh, there must be most important thing is in reaction, cycloaddition, and sigma topic. Electrocycle reaction is more or less that should become. Okay. Next one, see, for phase cycle reaction, after phase cycle reaction, that is most important topic is reaction mechanism. In reaction mechanism, the name reaction are important. In name reaction, most important name reactions are Bowden-Blank reaction, Tiji-Babin reaction, Dimenjaro, dimension reaction, aldol condensation, Robinson annulation, Cannizzaro reaction. These are very important. Okay, আরও অনেক রিয়াকশন আছে, অ্যাজ ফর এক্সাম্পল মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট রিয়াকশনস। ওকে, এগুলোর মধ্যেই পড়ে যাবে। নেক্সট ওয়ান রেডিকাল মেকানিজম, SMI2 AIBN and butyl 3SNH, this type of reaction that should become. Okay, and next one you have to remember the reagent chemistry, oxidizing reagent, that is KMNO4, osmium tetroxide, NMO in presence of NMO or absence of NMO, osmium tetroxide how behave, NMO প্রেজেন্সে এবং NMO যখন নেই তখন তার অ্যাবসেন্সে, ঠিক আছে, তখন অসমিয়াম টেট্রাক্সাইড কীরকম রিয়াকশন করে। ওকে, রাইট। নেক্সট ওয়ান after reaction mechanism, that is GOC is very important. In GOC, aromaticity, the aromaticity order is important. Carbon stretching frequency, bond angle, bond strength, that is important. Next one, stereochemistry, RS nomenclature is important. DN nomenclature is important. And also there must be important is cyclohexane conformations. Okay, in which state the conformation that should be stable, decalin system, trans-decalin, cis-decalin, that should be important. And next one, phase cycle হলো photochemistry. Yes, in the photochemistry pattern Noguchi reaction important, Norris type 1, Norris type 2 reaction, এগুলো important. Okay, and also cis trans isomerization, that is also important. Okay, these are important. Lumoketone reagent, this is also important. So this type of reactions are there. Next one, we have to go heterocyclic chemistry, that is which are not so asked. Heterocyclic chemistry is moderately important. In heterocyclic chemistry, the pyrrole, furan, thiopine, isoquinol, quinoline, pyridine, this type of reactions that should become. Okay, so next one, after heterocyclic reaction, you have to prefer for biomolecules for CSIRNET. Biomolecules, there must be amino acid and carbohydrate, is very important. Okay, so in amino acid, that is must be remembered, that is which one are it's essential amino acids, that is important. Okay, RS nomenclature of amino acid, that is important. PK values, how the PK values for neutral amino acid, PK values of basic amino acid, PK value of acidic amino acid, that should be important. Separation of amino acid from each of the column. ওকে, কলাম থেকে কিভাবে তোমার সেপারেশন হয়, অ্যামাইনো অ্যাসিড protection, deprotection, that is MOC, BOC, and also CBZ, so many reagents that should be used. Okay, you have to remember. Then you have to go carbohydrate chemistry. In carbohydrate chemistry, most important molecule is glucose, most important. There must be, you have to remember, that is RS nomenclature. Okay, you have to remember the reaction, that is how the acetylation, methoxylation, that should occur. Anomeric effect is important. Okay, after there must be, after glucose, there must be important is mannose. Obviously mannose and glucose, they are actually, they are anomer. You have to know anomeric carbon. Anomeric carbon is the carbon which is basically present in the carbonyl position, that is called anomer. Suppose the two carbohydrates are there in any position of carbon, the OH position that should be differ, that is called epimer. Okay, but when the configuration of OH is defined in the case of carbonyl carbon, okay, that is called anomer. So you have to know the difference between anomer and epimer. Okay, mannose and glucose, they are anomer. Okay, but glucose and galactose, they are epimer. You have to remember. Okay, and also remember fructose, that is also important. That is in, তোমরা জানো কার্বোহাইড্রেটের মধ্যে, in carbohydrate chemistry there must be aldose and ketose are there. So in the ketose there must be not so others are important, but fructose is important. Okay, but general carbohydrate chemistry, there must be important Kiliani-Fisher synthesis, RAP degradation, and also there must be important osazone formation. That is also important. Okay, and also tolerance reagents are there, and by tolerance reagent we can predict that is in which position the OH is free. Okay, reducing sugar and non-reducing sugar, that is also important. Okay, so carbohydrate chemistry is gone, and amino acid, that should be gone. Then next important biomolecules, that is important, that is steroid, alkaloid, and also আরেকটা কি থাকে তোমার, যেখানে আইসোপিন ইউনিট থাকে, তো সেটা তোমার ইম্পর্টেন্ট। ঠিক আছে, অ্যালকালয়েড ইম্পর্টেন্ট। অ্যালকালয়েড, হাউ ইউ নো হুইচ আর অ্যালকালয়েড, দ্যার শুড বি নাইট্রোজেন প্রেজেন্ট, দ্যাট শুড বি হ্যাভিং দ্য এন্ডিং ইএনই। ওকে, মরফিন ইএনই। ওকে, হয়ে গেল, বায়োমলিকুলস হয়ে গেল। নাও উই হ্যাভ টু গো in inorganic chemistry. Now you have to go inorganic chemistry syllabus. Okay, now we have to go inorganic syllabus. Okay, inorganic syllabus of CSIRNET. Okay, that is first important topic is very important, that is complex compound. There must be the geometrical isomer, optical isomer, stepwise stability constant, and also overall stability constant, and also there must be so many diagrams which are magnetic properties. Okay, that are also important. Color, spectra, these are important. Okay, next one, organometallic chemistry, that is important. There must be metal carbonyl complexes, ferrocene. Okay, and then bioinorganic, there must be in bioinorganic most important myoglobin, hemoglobin, hemocyanin, hemoerythrin, cytochrome P450, these are important. And next one, after bioinorganic, a block important. In a block, lanthanide, actinide, the separation. Okay, and next one, D block. In D block element, you know that is lanthanide construction. Okay, and how the separation can be there, and how the each of the metal, that is magnetic properties. Okay, that is important. Okay, next one. Okay, acid base chemistry. In acid base chemistry, most important Lewis theory and HSB principle, these two are most important. বাকিগুলোও লাগে কিন্তু কম লাগে। ঠিক আছে, তো দিস ইজ হয়ে গেল তোমার inorganic chemistry. Now we have to go physical chemistry syllabus for CSIRNET. Okay, so physical chemistry syllabus for CSIRNET, first important chapter is quantum chemistry. In quantum chemistry, simple hydrogen system, there must be simple harmonic motion, hydrogen atom. Okay, rigid order, that are important. Polar coordinates. Okay, Hermitian, non-Hermitian, Dagger. Okay, that are all are important. Then we have to go spectroscopy. Then spectroscopy, vibration spectroscopy, Raman spectroscopy, IR money vibration, and also rotational Raman spectroscopy, that are important. Okay, electron spectroscopy is important in the point of view organic chemistry, but that is very little come in CSIRNET. Next one, that is important, solid chemistry, that is unit cell, FCC, that is BCC, that is NCC, that is. Next one, phase equilibrium, homogeneous. Okay, phase diagrams. Okay, next one, গ্যাস ফেজও অনেক সময় আসে। ঠিক আছে, thermodynamics, Carnot cycle, first law, second law, entropy, the numericals that should become from thermodynamics. Statistical thermodynamics, there must be ensemble, that should become. Okay, so Now we have to go general aptitude. So general aptitude, most important, that is first one, numbering system. There must be so many puzzles are there. Next one, series formation is there. Then communication, and then locomotive problem, that is 10 প্ল্যাটফর্মে তুমি দাঁড়িয়ে আছো, 10 পাস করে যাচ্ছে, this type of maths that should become. Clock problem, and also calendar problem, that is year, leap year, that should become. Okay, so this type of sort of question that should become. Now last one, there must be other sector of questions sometimes come, that is polymer chemistry. There must be number, average molecular weight, weight average molecular weight, viscosity average molecular weight, polydispersity index, a natural polymer having polydispersity index, that is one, and also the graph distribution curve. Okay, that should become. In nanoscience, there must be the nano range, that should become. Okay, Tyndall effect may become. Okay, but that are frequent. Okay, so thank you.